Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1998 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. A distorted sinusoid has the amplitudes A1, A2, A3 dash 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 of the fundamental, second harmonic, third harmonics, etc. respectively. The total harmonic distortion present is. There are four options are given, which will be the right answer for the total harmonic distortion. First of all, what is meant by distorted sinusoid? How do you get this one? Okay, and later we will see what is meant by harmonic distortion, then we will go for the relation. Okay, let us assume we are going with a circuit. For a circuit, if you are applying an input signal which is sinusoidal signal Vin, which is nothing but Vm sin omega t, Vm sin omega t, and the circuit is going to be having a gain of A. So if V0 is going to be proportional to V input, that is V0 is equal to A times of Vm sin omega t, then output is consisting of single frequency, that is omega, and input is also consisting of a single frequency omega. Output and input are going to be having only a single frequencies. By that time the circuit is going to be called as linear circuit. For a linear circuit, output is approximately, the output is a replica of input signal. Whatever the frequency components present in the input signal, they will only appear in the output side. They don't have any extra frequencies. Then the type of circuit is linear. So if you are going for a non-linear circuit, if you are going for a non-linear circuit and you are going for the same input signal, Vin is nothing but Vm sin omega t, you are applying a single frequency component whose input frequency is omega. But because of non-linearity, output is not only proportional to input signal frequency, it also proportional to some other frequencies. General equation for the non-linear relationship between output and input is expressed like this: V0 is equal to A1 V in plus A2 V input square plus A3 V input cube plus dash dash dash, like this. Okay, so this is general equation for the non-linearity of a circuit between output and input. So if you are observing V0 is equal to A1 V1, up to this point it is linear, but it is added with some other terms, A2 into V input square, that will be giving, this will be giving the some other frequency component as 2 omega, and this V input cube will give one extra frequency as 3 omega. If you are going for the fourth one, at that time 4 omega, 5 omega, 6 omega, like this you will get. So apart from the input signal frequency omega, you are getting some other extra frequencies. These frequencies, if they are integer multiples of input signal frequency, they will be called as harmonics. Harmonic frequency is nothing but integer multiple of fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency is nothing but the frequency component which appears in the output, which is same as input frequency, is called as fundamental frequency. So that omega is going to be called as fundamental frequency. 2 omega, 3 omega are integer multiples of fundamental frequency, so they will be called as harmonics. Okay, so due to this harmonics, the output is going to be added, that is the output is gets distorted. Okay, now the output signal gets distorted due to various harmonic frequency component, and the total harmonic distortion is going to be the effective distortion due to all individual components, all individual harmonics, and is given as, this is the right expression for this one. The total harmonic distortion is the effective distortion due to all individual harmonic components, that is nothing but A2 square, A3 square, A4 square, like this. All individual harmonic components, later they are going to be gets added, that will be giving the total harmonic distortion. Okay, distortion due to each harmonic. and after that you are going to making it as summed up, and it is comparing with the fundamental frequency component, so that will be giving the total harmonic distortion. So the right answer for this question is B, square root of a2 square plus a3 square plus dash 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 by a1. Thank you.